Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to create a 1688.com account step by step, even if you don't understand Chinese. So whether you are looking to buy wholesale from China, starting a dropshipping business, or find a local supplier for your store, having a 1688 account is essential. I will walk you through the registration process and how you can fill out the form correctly, how you can switch the website to English using browser tools, all the important links and the tools mentioned in this video, including the registration page and the Chrome extensions for translation, are included in the description box below. So don't forget to check those out. Now, without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser, and here in the search bar, you need to simply search for 1688.com. Once you are on this page, everything that you see here will be in the Chinese language. So in order to change it into your English language, you need to just right click on this page and select the option of translate to English. Once this step is done, Google Translate will take some time in changing the translation or changing the language on this page. So once everything is in English or in the language that you are comfortable with, now you can start the registration process. So over here in the left hand section, you will see this login option. So once you hover over to it, you will see the sign up now option. So here you need to click on the sign in now and it will redirect you on the next page. So as I said earlier, if this page as well seems in Chinese, you need to just select it as English, just like so, and it will look something like this. So this is the login page, but we don't have an account on 1688. So in order to create the account, simply click on the sign up for free option, and again it will redirect you on the next page that will look something like this. It will also be in Chinese, so you need to again select the English option. Now for registration part, it is going to give you two different options. The first is the personal account and the second one is the enterprise account. So personal account is for individual buyers and resellers, and the business account is for business users, and as the name suggests, for the suppliers and the bulk sellers. So for most of the users who are outside of China, I would highly recommend of choosing the personal account, especially if you are just starting out. So click on the register now option and it will redirect you on the next page, which will again in the Chinese language. So you need to convert it to English, and then you just have to scroll down and click on this register option. Over here it will provide you this type of form in front of you, which you need to fill out carefully. First of all, we are going to convert it into the English language. So again, right click on this page and just change it to English language, just like so. Over here you need to provide the username, and this will be the login name that you can use. Afterwards we have the password option, so you need to provide a strong password for your account. Then we have the phone number section, where you need to select your country code and change your language. After that, once you have added your phone number, a verification code will be sent on your phone number. So you need to provide that and add it in this section. After entering the code, you need to check for the agreement box, which is this box. So you need to agree to it and click on the register option over here in order to complete your sign up. You may also be asked to solve a drag and drop puzzle captcha. For security reasons, you need to just follow the on-screen instructions. So once your account is created successfully, you need to go back to 1688 here, and in order to log in into your account, you need to click on the login option that is in the top right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, you will be landed on this login page, where you need to provide your account name and your password, and you need to just log in into your account. So since the platform doesn't actually support full English, the best way to keep the English translation enabled, you can now just take a look at the products. You can save the suppliers here. You can start chatting using the platform's built-in messaging system. So in order to secure your account, I would highly recommend you to go to your account section and add a backup phone and email. You can set the security questions in the account settings, and also for make the website handy, you can also download their official application from Google Play Store or App Store with the name 1688. So all these steps will help you to protect your account and keep your login smooth across all the devices. So if this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more tutorials on importing the product sourcing and e-commerce tools. If this video helped you out, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.